Hi, welcome to my shop again. Going to do a little show and tell Tuesday tip, whatever you want to call it, about indexing. I've made a little jig, a very simple way to index. Sometimes we need to index things that are going to be carved or embellished to make equal stages around a vessel. Something like this that's indexed. This is a black on black interpretation of some pottery pieces that is engraved and textured. This is a homemade little adapter that I made. I took an old shovel handle that broke off and turned a tenon down to the 1 inch post, and I can put it in here now. I just screwed a hardwood piece on that so that this is square and can hold it now. I have to set the height on this accurately, so I'll put the drive center in, bring a sharp pointed pencil up to the spur drive so that this is on center, and I always leave the wording of the pencil up so that it's in the same position each time and it's sitting on the flat of the six-sided pencil. And now I can scribe lines on here that are equal distance apart. As I scroll along here and use my indexing wheel on my lathe. If you don't have one, that's an easy thing to make also, is an indexing wheel. And so we can make accurate sections that we can carve or embellish on. Real simple, real easy, nothing too complicated on this. Okay, I have a favor to ask. We have many of you YouTube watchers that are frequent visitors to my YouTube channel, and if you're new especially, please hit the like button. The like helps me produce these and gives me some benefits that can keep me going and make these more frequently and give you more resources to share with you on the YouTube channel. So hit like on your way out. If you're not subscribed, please always subscribe, but the like button helps me too. Thank you for your help, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.